Hi, let's set up your Wi-Fi. For this process, you will need the Wi-Fi system, a power cord and Ethernet cable, and a smartphone with the Valley Wi-Fi Manager app installed. Locate your current router. You can set up your new GigaSpire router here, or choose a more optimal location close by in your home. Insert the new power adapter cord into your new Wi-Fi system and plug the new power adapter into the wall socket. Locate the WAN port on your existing router. Disconnect the cable and plug it into the WAN port of your new Wi-Fi system. Repeat the same process for any Ethernet cables connected to your current router. Move them to the corresponding ports on your new Wi-Fi system. After approximately 10 minutes, a solid green light will indicate a successful boot up. If the color does not change from a solid yellow or is red, verify that the WAN cable is connected to the correct port. As a reminder, if you haven't already downloaded the Valley Wi-Fi Manager app, please do so now. Once you download the app, follow the prompts to create an account and log in. That's all. Enjoy your Wi-Fi and visit vtc.net for more information.